I'm very excited to have a look at the Insta360 Mic Pro and everything that's included in this kit. It comes with 2 transmitters, which are the microphones, and 1 receiver. You've also got a charging case as well, and this is an advanced wireless microphone system. Love the box, nice and colorful, nice and vibrant. Tells you what to expect. It says your voice, your style, and then on this side it explains more of the features. So let's have a look. Let's slide this box open. First time that we all, including myself, get to have a look at it. Love that straight away. I really like how they do that. Just the first thing you see is the microphones, the statement piece. Love how they've gone with some graphics here. So we've got a smiley face and then we've got Insta360. They just come out like so. And that's what it looks like with that graphic on the front. You can change the graphics to really anything you want, which is so cool. On the base here, 2 USB-Cs, obviously we've got 1 on each. We've got a record button and then a power button. And then as we turn it around, that's what you can expect. They come pre-installed with the clips. Really nice clips, and obviously these can just come off as well. So they just slide off like so. And then you can mount on a magnetic attachment piece as well, which I believe will be included in here based on what I saw on the back of the box. So there we go, that's the 2 microphones there. We'll put them to the side. Now as we lift this off, we've got some paperwork here, which we'll just move to the side. I believe we've got some more paperwork in here, safety guidelines. So that's where they put the paperwork there, and then we've got the charging case by the looks of it here, which we'll put here, and some accessories as well, really nicely packaged. That's the end of the box there, so we'll just move these into frame. So let's have a look at the charging case first. It's got a nice weight to it. Ooh, very nice. Now how does this work? We're just going to remove this, and we're going to remove this as well. There we go. So that's the charging case, a really glossy front there. I don't know whether that's a display, I'm very keen to see. Simple little mechanism there to then release. Oh yeah, that's very satisfying. Love that. So you've got a little indicator on the side here for the battery. On the back it just says Insta360 Mic Pro. It's a USB-C obviously to charge. And then that just, you hold that on the side and that just folds open like that. That's a really satisfying opening. We've got obviously spots for the microphones to go in, and they can go in with the clips, which is very nice, just magnetically connect in. Let's have a look at the receiver. Oh, this is built really nicely. I like this a lot. So we've got this little piece on top if we wanted to mount something on there as well by the looks of it. Insta360, we've obviously got this removable part here as well. Up here we've got the pins, which is obviously how it's going to charge when it just slots into place, just like so. Really nice. So it's powering on now. We're just going to go with whatever for now. There we go. So that's now powered on. If I was to power on one of the microphones as well, you'll see a blue light comes on, and then it's immediately recognized it. So that's that, and then let's connect this one up and see what the workflow's like to have them both connected. There we go, blue light on, and then they should both, theoretically, there we go. Now they're both on, perfect. That's simple, love that. So we've got a connection for a camera, we've got a headphone jack, USB-C on the back, the power and the lock button, and then we've got this wheel as well, which you can press in, go between different modes. Obviously this is a touch screen, so you can go through all the different settings here. And the touchscreen is very responsive, that's nice. Nice size on the touchscreen as well. You can lock the screen, unlock the screen. Simple, love that. Okay, so we'll slot that in. Interesting design, very interesting design. And you can see that you got the little charging icon as well. So when I slot these in, we should get the charging icon for the mics as well, maybe. Or maybe because it's not making contact. Okay, I might actually have to take the clip off here. Let's just see how that works. There we go. So it looks like you might have to take the clip off. I'm trying to force it down, but the pin for charging is right there. So potentially you have to remove the clips, and then you get the indication that they're charging. Okay. Alright, let's have a look at these accessories. I just need to move around so I can get into frame here. We're just going to put the mics back out on display so you can see those, because they are very nice. Alright, here's the accessory kit. So what have we got here? Wow. Okay. Okay. More's coming. More and more and more. Very nice. Okay, I just need to move this in. So what have we got? We've got a warranty card here. We're going to leave that paperwork in. There's stickers in there as well, which is nice. Move that to the side to make some space. I believe this is going to be the, I don't know, the windshields, I guess, windscreens, whatever they call them. Yep, got a windscreen there. This will be another windscreen, I would imagine. No, it's not. It's a cable. Oh, and it's a little coiled cable as well. Like that. That would be for your camera, to plug that directly in. This wind screen here, it's got like a little clip, and then there's little indents on the side there, so that just slides in, clips on nice and gently. This might be a little carrying bag, is it? Oh yeah, very nice. It just says Insta360. Lots of little compartments in there. So just a little carrying bag if you want to take that with you out and about. We've got this here, so this is a charging cable. I might actually just take that off, so it's USB-C to USB-C. Obviously you've also got the charging case as well, but you need to charge that. So that obviously can be used for the mic, the transmitters, the receiver, as well as the charging case as well. We've got another windscreen here. So the same color. Looks like they're interchangeable. You can turn it either way potentially. Or is it just one way? Maybe it is just one way. Anyway, there we go. That looks cool. Little hairdo on the smile. Then we've got this. So this is for a mobile device, by the looks of things. Yep, so this is just a little connection plate, USB-C. So with this here, we can slide this off, this back cover here. There's little pins that you can see, so you can just then slide this, which way? This way probably. There you go, so that just slides in. And then that can then obviously plug directly into your phone, as long as it's a USB-C phone. And then for storage, it looks like you can just put that in here. Yep, so there's a little spot there. There's also another one if you need maybe another connection. So that's really nice. And then we've got, I believe these are the magnets by the looks of it. Let's have a look here. Oh yeah, perfect, the little magnets. So if you don't want the clips, you can then use the magnets. I'm just going to unpack one of them. There are two in here, but they're obviously trying to unpack this as we're going. Alright, there we go. So there's one of the magnets there, just says Insta360. And so this just connects on like so. You can straighten it up, you can move it around. There's a bunch of different orientations. So if you have your shirt on, you put this in front of the shirt, put that underneath, and then magnetically connect it on. So that's also another option as well. There's obviously another one in here. But that's the whole kit. That's what you get. It's a really nice bundle. It comes with a lot here. I'm liking what they've done here. This is a really nice microphone kit from Insta360. There you go. That's everything you can expect. Perfect.